Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from Wahpinas.com, and today we have a new thing to unbox. It's the UMIDIGI UWatch 3. Okay, so this item is about 2,000 pesos. You can get it on Lazada. There's UMIDIGI shop there, and if you're abroad you can check out amazon.ca, and it's about $49.99 in Amazon. So we're gonna open it now. I don't have my trusty knife anymore, so it's a long story, so I'll just use a pencil to remove to lift up the tape. I need to buy a new one. Okay, so you can buy assortable colored straps also, if you want to change it. This one that I have is color black. Okay, let's bring it out. Yeah, oh, okay, there's the actual watch. It has the cord, the charging cord. Let's see, what does it look like? Okay, look like it's this. There's charging pins that you need to put in the back. There's also the manual. Okay, so this is the watch. I like the bracelet. I like watches that have, the standard watch bracelet, not like the other ones that I've been able to open. And there's this rotating function button. Okay, please charge to activate the watch before you use it. Okay, so we're gonna charge it, plug it in now, and see if it's gonna work. We're gonna plug it in here on the computer. Okay, so we're gonna pause it for a while. So where it's plugged in, as you can see, it's turning on. There's a specific way when you put this charger in the back. It's magnetic. So if it's in the wrong way, it's gonna repel, as you can see. But if it's the right way, it's just gonna drop. So if you're gonna connect the watch to your phone, you need to find a Very Fit Pro app. Okay, or scan the QR code in the manual. Okay, don't search for UMIDIGI watch, right? So just search the one that I said. Okay, so now we're gonna be downloading it and then hopefully install it, and we can test it out. If you have those liquid screen protectors, or you have you can buy the actual screen protector that you put. I suggest that you put one, because the top is made of glass, so it might scratch. So as you can see, there's the monitor in the back, and see that Very Fit Pro. So, okay, allow, use now, agree. Okay, confirm. Only when using the app. Okay, so it's searching for the app right now. Okay, yes, let's see if the Bluetooth on. The Bluetooth is on. Okay, so you can see there, it's a UWatch 3. Just click it and confirm bind device. As you can see, it's reacting. Yes, it's a male, because I'm not the one that's gonna be using this. It's my kid. Okay, birthday. Okay, we'll do this off camera. Okay, so after you put the year you were born, you put the height. Okay, then how heavy are you, Aaron? Let's put you at
50 kilograms.
You're right, 65. Okay, and the target, and you can see it's there. So we're gonna sync it, see if the time changes. Now the time's adjusted. So there's the device. You can turn on your different alerts. Okay, sedentary alert, call alert. Okay, okay. After 3 seconds, It detected that this device is not turned on to smart reminder. No, not okay. Alarm. Okay. Call alert. Why is the call alert off? Okay. Okay. So you need to press that thing on. Okay. The SMS alert. Yes. Turn that off. First, the Very Fit Pro. Turn it on. Okay. Yes, I am aware. Okay, it takes a couple of seconds. Say that, say yes. Okay. Okay. Then back. Okay. Allow notifications, calendar, email, SMS, Facebook, Messenger, Gmail. Okay. Yes. Okay. And then recent heart rate detection. Yes, we're setting it on automatic. Healthcare. What is this? We don't need that. It's menstrual cycle. We don't need that because it's a guy that's going to be using it more. So there's a find your phone, active display, what you want to see in the screen. So we don't need the workout yet. So. And that's just walking. Okay. Heart rate zones. Okay, that's just a heart rate zone. It's gonna take your heart rate. Okay, and that's it. Then you can go to the user. Okay, target settings, personal info, system settings. Okay, so that's it. That's a quick unboxing for the UMIDIGI UWatch 3. Okay. As you can see, it's touchscreen, so it has summaries. Okay, so that's for the messages. Okay, and then if you turn left and right, you can see the different modes. So it's relax, alarm, heart rate, sport, and then I guess this one, heart rate. What's this? Okay. Lift wrist. Okay. DND do not disturb, disabled. I think this is for the vibrate. Automatic heart rate turned on, turned off. Okay. And then this is the lift. When you lift it, it turns on. So you want that to happen, right? Okay. Wait. Okay. And that's it. It looks nice, and we're gonna be having Aaron use this. Thanks, guys. Bye.